What's up, YouTube? Welcome back with another video. First off, we have passed our Apex evaluation. I wanted to record a video yesterday of the process of what happens after you pass, what they send you, the fees and breakdowns and all that other stuff, but I ended up having internet issues, so I never got to record it. I just ended up doing it on my phone, and I figured today we would just pretty much show you what the account looked like, some of the emails that they sent. Since I've already did the signature, paid for the performance account, and got my certificate, I figured I'd just show briefly some of the things, and then kind of the plan for the week and what the plan for the account. So as you guys can see, for those that are either transitioning over from trading options or stocks to futures, or even those from trading forex, whatever it might be, switching over to futures, you pretty much, with these platforms, you have an evaluation or a combine depending on the platform that you trade with, and you are given an exam in a sense of seeing how good of a trader you are, consistent of a trader you are. We pretty much passed the evaluation in 2 days, but with Apex, you have to trade for 7 full trading days. So pretty much, if you're able to hit the price target of, for us, since we were trading the 50K accounts, if you're able to hit 3K in profit, the thing which a lot of us do is we pretty much just transition from trading our minis into micros and just taking some trades in between on those accounts to make sure that we traded 7 days. But what I did was I made a profit of 800 to 3K, and so pretty much I made 3,800 in a matter of 2 days, which had passed the account. And then I just was taking small trades. When I was trading minis, I wasn't trading micros, I was trading minis. And then on the day 6, I didn't know, well, I had forgot, since I trade at work and at home, my ATM strategy at home on my Ninja Trader is completely different from the one that I have at my work at the office at work. And I forgot that I was trading with 3 contracts at work. So I got in a trade not thinking it was just only one contract. And I go back over, not really close out the tab, but was doing some work. I look back over at my trade and I'm down. I was down $700, and I was like, "Yo, what the heck happened?" And then I saw that I had 3 contracts, so I closed out the trade. And I was like, "Whatever." At least I didn't lose a whole 3K of profit. So I was like, "Whatever." And then I was just trading mediocrely on day number 7, just to get a trade and just to show that I was trading. And then that was it. But we closed out on the account 3K, 3K and $82. So that's cool. Nothing really crazy. We passed it. And then we got an email. We got our emails, congratulating us that we passed. So from here, when you pass with the 7 days and hit your price target, they send you an email. First off, having to sign, saying that you're willing to transition from your evaluation account to your performance account. You sign off on that, and from that signature, from that email, they send you right back to Apex. You sign off, and then you go back to your other one. They congratulate you, give you a certificate saying that you qualified. Excuse me. And then, excuse me, the next process of from there. And then you have to make your payment. You have 2 options. You either can pay the 140, which is for 10 years. And then after the 10th year, you pay 1 cent. So, I mean, if you're able to keep your account for 10 years, that's a blessing within itself. But then, too, that your account is able to withhold for, only paying for $140. But you have an option number 2. If you don't want to pay the 140, you can pay monthly, which is kind of dumb. But at the same time, I get it. The second option is paying monthly, but that monthly price is like $89. And you know what? I honestly considered about doing the $89 one, just because of the fact that the other times I've had a performance account with Apex, I've had either I've over leveraged and lost the account, or number two, I've had technical difficulties and with trade evade, and I lost the account, and they never did anything about it. They just let me suffer and lose my account. So I thought about if I just pay monthly and just see how the account goes each month, then it is what it is. But I figured if I'm able to sustain holding my account for the, each month, then it's best to just pay for the 10 years. So yeah, you pay your fee for the account, which is $140, and then you have that. After that, they let you congratulate you and let you know that you got your performance account. From that moment, they pretty much are telling you like they have like a little what's the word? Like I guess say giveaway, but I don't know anybody that's actually won these little drawings that they have. But apparently they're giving away 3K, so that's cool, I guess. And then after that email, they give you an email saying that they canceled your evaluation account that you paid, and then you don't have to worry about that anymore. And then the next one is like congratulating you that you have your performance account, which is now here. It doesn't show on my Ninja Trader yet, so pretty much I think once tomorrow, close to market open, I'll be able to have my account. Maybe we might take a trade tomorrow. I don't know. I might just wait till Monday. But I definitely will be charting up to see what um, the last week was for us and have a little idea of what we can look forward to for next week. Um, excuse me. So my goals with this account. So from what I understand, with Apex, with the 50K accounts, you have to have a minimum of $2,600 in the accounts of profit to be able to request a payout. Now, they also have a consistency rule, which is 30% of your total balance at a profit that you have by the time you request a payout. So, with that being said, we know that we need around 3K plus to be able to have a nice cushion, and know that once we get to our 10 trading days, and once we were able to request that payout during that little time frame of the 1st and the 5th and the 15th through the 20th, if I'm not mistaken, or something like that, we have a good cushion on top of our $2,600 that we have. So what I'm hoping to do is be able to trade and make a consistent 300 to $800. Now, I know it's not going to be easy for me, just for the fact that I have to be very disciplined on not over leveraging on these accounts. It's 50K account, but knowing that it's only a 3K loss. So pretty much I have a 3K account. And when you over leverage, that gets really dangerous and you can lose the accounts in a blink of an eye. And with 10 contracts, that can happen so quickly. And you know, yeah, with 10 cons, you can make a lot of money if you hold. If the trade goes in your favor. But what happened to me yesterday with one of my top step evals, my top step combines, I had a 100K account and I was trading and I had average 10 on one of my trades with 10 contracts. Yeah, it was a yellow play. Um, but the crazy thing about it was we were at a point of break even on the trade. It went up in our favor, just a little small margin, and then we got a little small pullback, like a small pullback, which I was okay with. And then we had another pullback that happened, which literally my daily loss limit, just like that. And it was just like crap. And then all of a sudden the move happens, and I was just like, yo, it freaking sucks. Like if either I was trading with the smaller size and then averaged in once that second pullback happened to be able to, take advantage of that and then see the move happen, we would have been good. Or if I just waited until the move actually happened, they got into the trade, then we would have been good as well. We wouldn't have got the daily loss limit. So with that being said, I need to be able to trade with one or two contracts with these 50K accounts. I should just call it 3K account because just the fact that's how much, cushion we have on the account. With this being said, one to two contracts, but also if the trade isn't going in our is going in our favor, add on to it. That's okay. I'm okay with that because if the trade is going in our favor and we're up, let's say $200 on one or two contracts, we can go in and add another contract, go with three, maybe four. I mean, five is pushing it, but that's if the trade is going in our favor and we're already up X amount of money and we're doing and our strategy is going correctly. We can average in on certain pullbacks, even though we're still in profit, and then be able to take the ride the wave all the way through. So that's what I'm hoping to be able to be consistent with that because I've been funded several times, but have not been able to make it to my payout. A lot of things have happened, either over leveraging or technical difficulties, either with Apex or with Top Step, but things happen. So that's the goal on the account. We want to be able to get a payout. So that is the goal. With our Top Step accounts, we have a 50K account and we have a $100,000 account. Both had daily loss limits yesterday, which sucked. But they were kind of like yellow accounts. We used the little discount on the 100K account, so we pretty much got the 100K for $50, and then I paid $50 for the 50K account, and was just trying to, take the non-farm payroll numbers and see if we can, do something good out of that. But we didn't. It is what it is. So the goal is to pretty much just try to get back to break even on these accounts. If I can get back to 50K, that'd be good. If I can get back to 100K, that'd be good as well. So we'll see. I only got $600 in cushion on this account. We might even just reset this account Monday, to be honest with you. But it's still up in the air. Don't want to give up too soon yet. I feel like we can probably make a good like 1K and then just work our way back up. But we'll see. We'll see what Monday gives us. We even see what tomorrow gives us once the market opens because we might have a little bit of movement. A little bit. We might have a little bit of volume. Don't really have much to show on this to be honest. I just wanted to come on here and just give a little update on the journey that we got going on. We really are just trying to make it to our first payout. I know Apex doesn't have the best payouts um, overall with all the prop firms, which sucks. I mean, yeah, it's cool because you can buy accounts for cheap, but I feel like for them to be really like a top dog in the game, they have a lot of changes they need to make to be able to hold up with Top Step, Trade Day, My Funded Futures, and I feel like there's another company as well. But I feel like, you know, even though you're able to pay for an account for a cheaper price than a lot of the other competitors, that's cool. But having to trade 7 days and then having to trade for an additional 10 days to be able to get a payout is a pain in the butt. I think they need to change that. And then only be able to request 2 payouts a month is still like kind of dumb in my opinion. And I get it because they want you to buy more accounts. That's why they allow you to be able to trade 20 accounts. But that's still a lot to deal with. Psychologically, that's a lot to deal with. For a lot of traders, having one account to 3 accounts to 5 accounts is a lot. I mean, yeah, you can profit a lot of money from trading up to 5 accounts. 5 times 20, that's $10,000 right there. So knowing that, or technically 5 times 2,000 is 10,000. Sorry, 5 times 20, it's 10,000. Or yeah, 10,000. So knowing that you can get $10,000 off of 5 accounts, that's cool. But it's a lot of stress within itself just to be able to be consistent for those 10 days. So hopefully, hopefully Apex changes their rules, um, because I feel like they have potential of being good, and then being able to put traders into live accounts, which is even better. Once that happens, that'll be cool as well. Um, but I feel like right now, I think we just need to be consistent of just trying to be profitable and being okay with the amount that we make instead of trying to be greedy. And I think that's a downfall for a lot of us traders. That's why they say 90% of us don't make it. So I feel like with that, you gotta have to remember that you spent so much money on these accounts, and you know that can get really discouraging for a lot of us. You spend so much money on these accounts, and you either pass them or you don't pass them, and you don't make it to payout. And it's just like I won't be mad at certain trades I take. I'll be mad at just the process of how long it took me to get there. You have to trade 17 days just to be able to make money, or even longer, depending on when you got your account funded and when the request day is for your payout. So hopefully we can get there. We'll continue on live streaming when we have our days off, or when I get home from work. I'll be able to go over some things, or even probably trade Asia session, see if we can get anything off of that. With the top step accounts, we're just going to try to get back to break even, and then go from there and see how we can navigate our way back into profit, and then get those accounts passed so that we have, I'm hoping to get 3 accounts. Hopefully we can get 3 funded accounts, and that'll be great for us so that we can, you know, pass the top step accounts and then have to trade 5 days and then start requesting payouts. And that'll be good because, you know, that money can come in a lot quicker than we will with Apex, and kind of just plan out how we want to manage making money on a consistent basis. And then once we get a comfortable swing of things and little groove, then we can start buying more evaluations with Apex, and then get funded with those accounts, and then work our way of trading multiple accounts, copy trader type deal, and go from there. But that's going to take some time. I'm still trying to get a hang of getting my confidence of passing these evaluations again, and then going towards being funded and trading these funded accounts, and making money. But the journey, the marathon continues. Nipsey said it best, and we gotta be consistent with that. Um, Kind of rambling on with the video, but I feel like this is a way for us to journey through being profitable. So for those that again that are transitioning from options, stocks, forex, whatever it may be, find the right prop firm for you, um, trading style that, or a prop firm that benefits or complements your trading style, and then go from there. Um, it's the skies are limited when you want to be able to reach certain goals in life, and I feel like this is one of them, especially for me, because I feel like it's something that I enjoy doing. I mean, yeah, I've lost a lot. I've lost a lot of accounts. I've lost a lot of my own money, but I've been consistent for 4+ years now, and it's a blessing to be able to come from not knowing anything about this stuff to now being able to understand certain patterns, these setups, and having the confidence to take certain trades, and seeing me being able to capitalize on these trades. So the best advice I can give anybody is, use the money that you make from your jobs or whatever source of income that you have. Use that to enhance your education. If it's to trading, starting up your own business, investing, things like that, take advantage of it and enjoy the journey, because it's going to be a struggle no matter how you think about it. So let's see where this journey takes us. Hopefully, from this day on, we can work our way from having one account, one funded account to five, or one to three to five, and then we can see where that takes us down the road, hopefully in the year. But that's it for the video. We'll have links to affiliate link for Apex and Top Step in the bio. We also have Trade Days affiliate link as well. I like their platform as well. I've traded with them with two of their accounts. But again, it's the consistency, understanding the consistency behind that, which is if you are a consistent, disciplined trader, I do like Trade Day a lot and I would recommend them. So those three links will be in the bio. And then we'll also have Discord link. If you ever want to just join my Discord, it's free. I don't teach anything whatsoever. I'm not teaching people how to trade my setup or anything like that. I pretty much just have a trading community where we all kind of just bounce ideas with one another. We talk about different things of trading overall. Some of us are options traders and some of us are futures traders. Some are into crypto. That's cool too if you guys want to network with them. But it's a community based off of just like-minded traders and just seeing where things go. Eventually, once I show that I'm a consistent trader, consistent profitable trader, then we can start looking into like teaching people how to trade. But right now, I just feel like I need to work on me and better myself so that I can use that to be able to help other people learn. I mean, like if you want to learn what futures trading is or even about options trading, yeah, I'll give you the quick breakdown of like how things go so that you have an understanding of what to look for yourself when you want to better your education. But for the most part, I'm not giving out signals. I'm pretty much just trading how I trade myself. Other traders in the server are pretty much just doing their own stuff too. But for the most part, it's just pretty much just a community where we're just trying to be better traders and be able to eat, make money. But other than that, that's about it. I appreciate you guys watching the video. We'll be back hopefully tomorrow. I'll try to do a live stream tomorrow during Asia session just to see if we can look at some certain trades. Either I'll just trade my combines or I might try to take a little quick trade in our performance account. But other than that, yeah, peace out, stay black, make good choices. I'll holler at you guys and peace.